I did not want to go to the gym today at all. I was just I still am
just so tired.
I woke up so exhausted, and the whole time at the gym my eyes were just so heavy. But I mean, got there, you know, me and my boyfriend, we go together, so it's good to have like somebody to push you when you don't feel like going. And I probably will need a nap later because you have to listen to your body. I'm just getting my bags ready right now, and then I'm gonna make some breakfast. It's also freezing today, and I feel like whenever it's cold, obviously you don't want to get up and out of your cozy bed, but like right now I'm about to put on my robe to go cook breakfast because I'm just like. Also, welcome back to just a productive day in my life vlog. We have a busy day today, and I'm just packing up my bag because I always like to take this bag and my other backpack when I'm going to my boyfriend's to do work, so I need to pack this all up. And I'm starving. My stomach has just been growling at me all morning. Let's do a little Nespresso order unboxing. I'm so happy about it because I only have left some of the bigger coffee pods, and now that I make me and my boyfriend coffee, I definitely needed to stock up faster. So we have a little sample that you get to choose. So this one is Audacio and Solelio. These are actual coffee pods. I did 2 of one of my favorites, which is the double espresso Chiaro. I did 2 Bianco Doppio. So 2 for each of my favorites. The last one is Bianco Piccolo. And I'll link my coffee pod holder in the description box. Okay, let's try this out. I'm gonna put it with the other oat milk that I have, and we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna do Chiaro for myself. My boyfriend really likes the Bianco Doppio one, but let's do Chiaro today. I'm scared. I hope it tastes good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it. Smells good, and I don't know if I properly showed you guys, but it's the Elmhurst brand oat creamer caramel macchiato. I think the tea or the recipe, let me know if you guys do something totally different. I think you still need to add a little bit of sugar. Now it's balanced. Now it's like, okay, it's not bitter with like a hint of caramel and like weird, and it's not overly sweet. Like, it's perfect. There is nothing better than this like sun just coming in. I'm such like a sunlight girl. I love it. I love feeling it on my skin. I just love like the brightness. It just feels so good, and it just reminds me of summertime, honestly. I love being outside, so once the weather does get nice, I will be outside all of the time. Let me make my to-do list while I put on YouTube in the background. Another one of my favorite parts of my days, honestly. I'm also trying out a new digital planner, which you guys will probably see in my iPad video that I want to film next week. I'm trying something new with like my planning and just another way that I can make a to-do list. I want to get done what's going to take me the least amount of time. I always do that first, or at least I try to. Sometimes I can get caught up and then I'm doing things that I know are going to take me a little longer, and then I'm like, oh shoot, I should have just did this, you know. I feel like you just need to, in 2023, for me at least, sometimes, like for example, like the smallest task, I'm like, I'll do that later, like, you know. But no, let's do it now. Let's do it in the moment so that you can feel number one, productive about it, and it'll just feel all around good because you don't have to do that task later. Let me quickly send an invoice that I need to send, also check up on a few emails and quick things like that. I haven't had RX bars in a while, I feel like, so we just picked some up. They had a sale at Whole Foods. It was like 2 for $4, which is a pretty good deal, I would say, for RX bars, and they're gluten-free, which is good. And this is my favorite flavor of all time anyways. This is the coconut chocolate one. So good for a little snack throughout the day. I need to update my to-do list from here. It's pretty much a little busy to-do list vlog. So I feel like as a content creator, I do like to work by app, I would say. So like I did emails, then I had to send an invoice, and then I did focused on like YouTube shorts, and I focus and I go one by one. Like next will be Instagram, and then will be TikTok. Then I want to film a video for YouTube. I also feel like I have so many things to unbox, or like so many new packages that I want to do like a little mini haul. And probably my next vlog, I'm going to do like a days of my life for the weekend. So I'll probably show you guys like a bunch of new products. I'm about to show you guys some new pieces that I just got in from Eckhour, and I want to thank them for sponsoring this portion of today's vlog. So these are some must-haves now, like new finds, must-haves, whatever you want to call it, and they have their own website, which you guys are probably seeing right now on the screen, and they also have an Amazon store, which everyone loves shopping on Amazon, including myself. And so I'm going to try on everything and show you guys a little try-on haul. First up, we have this two-piece set, which I love. It's like waffle material, it's v-neck, it's beige, it's like perfectly fitting for me. I love a little comfy, oversized, relaxed fit, and the shorts fit me also perfectly. Here's an up close of the material. It's so soft, so comfortable for somebody who works from home, loves to lounge and be cozy. I feel like this is a perfect set for me, and I love that it has pockets and drawstring. Next up, we have this beautiful beige knit long sleeve top. It's so cute. It's a button top and it's a little bit long, so I think this would look great with leggings, even shorts in the summertime if you want to do like a little open button moment like this, kind of tuck it in. I think that's really cute. And I kind of left the top a little bit open too, so you can do a little shoulder vibe, and rolled up the sleeves. It also has buttons here, but it's so cute, and I love that it has a little pocket. I think this is amazing, and I'm so excited about this because I have no button up shirts this material. It's so soft and great quality and great fit. So aesthetic to it. Neutral vibes, my favorite type of style. Wait, because I'm obsessed with this. We have a 4-piece pajama set, 4 pieces. So this is the first set. This is like gonna be my winter set. It's the long sleeve and long pants as well, and they're just black, classy looking and sleek and simple, and again aesthetic. Pocket up here, pockets in the pants as well, and they fit so comfortable. Gonna be my new favorite pajamas. And here's what the shorts and top look like. So cute, like literally the cutest. If you want to bring this on vacation, I feel like you just look put together. You know, I feel like bringing PJs to vacation is kind of like, what do you bring? This is cute, perfect for the spring and the summertime, and I love it. Now this, you guys, is probably one of my favorites. Another pajama loungewear set. It's so cute. It's white with the black lace trim. So beautiful. I'm literally in love with this. Feels so nice on your body. If you're having a self-care day, like I'm gonna be wearing this in probably a self-care vlog. So if you see this coming up, yep, I'm that obsessed. And I'm literally like reflecting in my camera. It's amazing. Unreal, 20 out of 10. Everything will be linked down below for you guys to shop. Use my code right here to save you guys some money. And thank you, Eckhour, for sponsoring this video. So I have a new package, and you guys are definitely not going to guess what this is. I actually haven't even shared about it or spoke about it, but let's unbox it together. Guys, so let's unbox my Dyson Airwrap part 2. So long story short, there was something like wrong with my Dyson that I was experiencing, and so I contacted support and we pretty much did an exchange. But this one, the color is a little bit different, which I'm completely fine with. Like, that's not a deal breaker for me. I just wanted to get it back ready because they are sold out. They were really helpful online, and I do have a warranty on it and stuff, and I still have a warranty on this one. Anyways, I got a new Dyson. So we're actually doing my hair today. I haven't done my hair in a while. Ta-da! Everything is brand new now. So the difference between my old one and this one, the copper is just like the tips. This part, the base for me was copper, so it's just kind of like reverse. I've actually gotten questions before, like how I pack this or like my other one, and so as you see here, this is exactly the layout that it came in. It just has extra boxes. Once I take it out of those, I just leave this here so it kind of separates. These fit right in the corners. This goes on top of this little guy right here, and the wires go underneath, and then I just put it like this, and that's it. Honestly, nothing feels better than just like something new like this, like a hair tool. I'm so excited. I kind of am feeling a little bit lazy, and I think I'm just going to use the smoothing brush with it. But first I'm going to rough dry just to get more of the moisture out. For that I use the Kawanda dryer, and I do this on medium heat and medium speed just to rough dry by section and fix the heat and the speed. I'm going to use this one. Alright guys, difference, like this is what I mean by it's so quick. Like today I feel like I have more stuff that I could possibly get done if I don't take so long on my hair, and with the smoothing brush it's just kind of like a super quick blowout straight look. And so a little trick that I do, because this way is so like quick and simple, it doesn't give you the lifted effect because it is a straightening brush. So what I do after is I will part my hair and use the big barrel and just literally randomly grab pieces. It just makes it like, even if this falls, it'll just look like a blowout because it has like a little bit of a lift at the end. And now I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I feel like it just looks so much better. Like I kind of tried and put a little bit more effort, but really it was so quick to just roughly straighten it out. And I feel like even though it falls, it just looks a little messy but cute. Now it's time to clean up, drink some tea, and I want to get some editing done tonight. I am so tired, and I'm just gonna make sure my alarm is on for tomorrow because my phone is now on sleep mode. Alarm is on for tomorrow and the heat just clicked back on. I took out a really warm hoodie for my gym outfit tomorrow, and I'm gonna go to bed now because it's been a long productive day of getting my to-do list done, and I'm so proud. It was literally like an amazing day work-wise. Everything went to plan, and I think I'm filming tomorrow as well. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video if you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what you did today or what your plans are for the day. I love chatting with you guys in the comments, and I'll see you all in my next video.